Welcome to our complete guide for playing Assetto Corsa using a keyboard and mouse in 2025. This racing simulation has captured the hearts of gamers worldwide with its realistic physics and exhilarating gameplay. Let's dive in. Before hitting the track, let's make sure your system is up to the challenge. Here are the minimum and recommended system requirements to ensure smooth gameplay. To configure your keyboard and mouse controls for the best experience, navigate to the Settings menu where you can customize controls that suit your racing style. Optimizing your graphics settings is crucial. Adjust the resolution and texture quality according to your system's capability to improve your performance while racing. Mastering driving techniques with a keyboard and mouse may seem challenging. Here are essential tips to help you navigate the racetracks like a pro. Utilizing the right keyboard bindings can enhance your gameplay. Learn how to use shortcuts effectively for advanced maneuvers to gain an edge over your competition. Custom key mapping allows you to tailor your controls for maximum comfort and efficiency. Let's explore how to adjust your settings to fit your unique racing style. Mouse sensitivity and acceleration settings can greatly impact your driving precision. Here's how to fine-tune these settings to achieve the response you need. Practice makes perfect. Incorporate regular practice races to sharpen your skills. Consistency will build your confidence and improve your track performance. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to conquer the tracks in Assetto Corsa using keyboard and mouse. Remember, every racer started somewhere, so keep practicing and have fun.